There is an urge for companies and people to be more responsible in how they consume and what they do and what decisions they make. So that's important also for us, because we are people as well. It's the people, planet, prosperity. We need to be responsible. We are very diverse in our product portfolios, and we have fantastic products which have different functionalities, and all of them have a different kind of impact into that everyday life. They are made out of the fibers. They have some kind of functionality in them, and that's what the customers are looking for, and that's why they are buying our products, because they want that innovation that is in our products. Having that cue from the responsible sourcing all the way to the efficient manufacturing and all the way to the customers and the end product, that's like the thing. It's like the whole life cycle.